Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will go through the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. This task requires specific tools and careful attention to detail, so let's get started. Tools you'll need: 1. Torx screwdriver, T15 and T20. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Pliers. 4. Soft brush for cleaning. 5. Vacuum cleaner for debris removal. Step 1. Preparation. Before starting, ensure your Dyson V11 is unplugged. Remove the dust bin and filter. This will expose the inner components better. If you notice any debris inside, use a soft brush to clean out the area. A clean workspace is crucial for this process. Step 2. Accessing the motor. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off. Be careful not to damage any wiring connected to the motor. Step 3. Disconnecting the motor. Next, locate the motor. Before removing it, carefully disconnect any wiring harness attached. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry any tabs if needed. Remember to take note of where each wire connects. If you feel unsure about the wiring, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 4. Removing the old motor. Now, with the T20 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 3 screws. Once these are removed, you can lift the motor out of its housing. Check for any debris or buildup in the area and clean it thoroughly with a soft brush. This is a great time to mention that if you don't have the tools or time for this project, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Step 5. Installing the new motor. Take your new motor and align it properly in the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is snug, but be careful not to over-tighten. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring each wire is correctly placed as noted earlier. Step 6. Reassembling the vacuum. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws using the T15 screwdriver. Ensure everything is tight and secure. Step 7. Final cleaning and testing. Once reassembled, give your vacuum a final cleaning. Use the vacuum cleaner to remove any dust or debris from the outside. Now plug it in and turn it on to test. Check for any unusual sounds. If everything sounds good, congratulations on a job well done. Remember, we also provide a quote before repair if you decide you would rather have a professional handle it. No calls, no travel, just the service you need right at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.